Hi, using this saved Google spreadsheet, you can filter and find items you're looking for. Simply click on the little funnel where it says Filter Views. Click on the little arrow to the right of the funnel. Choose Create New Temporary Filter View. That will only apply to you and will not affect anyone else's future view. It also is not saved. Once you do that, you can simply use the filter under each of the head categories to choose what you're interested in. And so, for example, let's say you want to search under section, you can come down to that, choose the section you want. By scrolling down here, you can see all the sections. You can clear the sections you don't want and simply type in the section you're interested in. You can also choose more than one. In this case, I'm going to choose Ohio. Once you choose that and say OK, the filter will only show Ohio sections. Let's say I was also interested in seeing Ohio sections that were in a specific category. If I click on the category filter, I can choose what I want to see there, and I can choose which one I want. Let's say I'm interested in the 5 alpha. I can choose that category, click OK, and now I will see only the 5 alpha category. And you see that there's only a small number here in that. You can always go back, click on any of these, and choose Select All, and that will again show everything from that particular category. You can also choose multiples. So again, go to the filter, click on the little right drop down where it says create a temporary filter view, and that will allow you to do any filtering you want and see anything you want. You can also do sorting and other things if you're familiar with how to do that in a spreadsheet, and that'll work just fine also in this spreadsheet. It will not affect future users' views. If you have any questions, K8ZT73 @gmail.